Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's Woodward Dream Cruise weekend. It's actually Thursday, but the shenanigans got started last weekend, as you guys can probably tell by my video. We are kicking off the festivities today by going to Out of Office Cars and Cigars, I believe is the name of their official event. Started at 6, at 6:20. Probably gonna get there around 6:45. First 100 people got a cigar. I'm not really interested in that. I just wanna see what's going on. It's sponsored by, or put on by Hennessy also, so I think they have their Venom F5, as well as some cool other goodies. So we're gonna go there and then hit Woodward after. We got a special guest today, Evan, coming down in the 911. You guys know who that is. That's the plan today. We are gonna go have some fun. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. So we found a little parking spot right there next to a little B8.5 Estral blue car. We've got a nice Isle of Man green G82, and then this little Revuelto here. This Revuelto I've not seen before. Gloss black looks awesome. And everybody's just rolling in this event. I have no idea how many people are here. Evan said it was packed when they rolled in about 5 minutes ago. There's Evan's car. Now we just gotta find the lad. Ooh, nice little... Is this busier than the winter one, you think? I don't think so either. But it is a dang impressive turnout. Might be the cleanest 997 I've ever laid eyes on. Gorgeous. And nice spec on the 3RS here. So there's R8s, Lambos, McLarens, all that's cool stuff. This car, if you guys don't know, is the Cannonball record holder. And I've seen it at a couple different Woodward events, and I wanted to see it again. Luckily, here we are. Just such a cool car. And the crowd follows. I don't know where he's planning on parking, but good luck to him.
I'd say Chizzy first. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, I love that color. Fitment on the 4RS here, ladies and gents, just absolutely tucks, tracks back. That is beautiful. Yellow on a Porsche, there's something about it. Everybody is on the move. I don't know what's going on. 488. 488. Cool ass.
Where does he live?
Oh, you turned it up a little bit. Yeah. All right. So Jessica just asked me my favorite car here. I want to know what you guys think. There's a lot of cool ones to choose from. So we got a 3RS 992, twin turbo R8, Cannonball S6, some classic good ones like a Gallardo. There's that R8 we've seen, another Huracan. Over here, there's a McLaren STO Sheepy twin turbo Performante Huracan, GTR, and a ton of stuff around back. This is just like the outside, kind of hanging outside because it's really hot inside. But there was that Hennessy F5 Venom, I want to say. A lot of cool stuff inside too, obviously with all the cars on the lifts, but there's like endless fun out here, man. Generally, we got some absolute units back to back here. Wow. Busy, busy, busy. And a Batmobile. Wow. Just absolutely flexing. Wow. Sticker on this car is 427. Insane. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we stalked it out. We found the S6 again. We just had to come check it out because I saw it yesterday. There were 1,000 people around it, so it was tough to kind of film, but here it is. This is the Cannonball record S6, 25 hours, 39 minutes, I want to say. And it is one heck of a car. If you guys haven't already, check out the VinWiki video. I believe it's called "We Set an Unbeatable Cannonball Record" or something along those lines. But this is the car and it's super impressive. Here it is. We are officially en route to Woodward day 2, as are a few other people, it looks like, just based on the traffic that we've seen already. But Evan is near Platinum Motor Cars. We're hoping to secure a couple spots here. Get with it for day 2, ladies and gents. Carson's car is looking oh so good. Oh my goodness, we watched that yesterday as soon as he got here. And that F1 light just looks so nasty, man. Holy moly. That's insane. Got a 911 turbo cab, turbo S cab. We're still 11 minutes away. Just an average little rip in, couple red cars. That's a beautiful 458 right there. Gorgeous. Quite a treat. Right off the bat, McLaren Senna. Wow. Beautiful car. So I keep coming back to this car, but it is now paired with the E63, and they've got the plaques out here showing the fraud Taurus. So cool. They said in the entire run in this car, they never actually went over 175. Pretty dang cool. That's Logan's Gallardo.
Yeah.
Very cool car. LP Gallardo. Ruby Star on the M5 wagon. Wow. Paint matched on the box too. Exhaust on it already. Wow. What a cool car. On some Boston's. This is a clean build. Beautiful. Well, this car pulls quite a crowd, ladies and gents. As soon as it pulled in, we have everybody just swarming it. I was taking an Instagram video for my story of the Revuelto and like the music playing, and I just turned to my left and I saw it pull in, so I was like, oh wow, okay. Definitely the coolest car we've seen on Woodward this week, and there's a Senna parked right next to it. Wild. I like that Performante. Wow, red interior on that too. Jeez. Big wang. There's that orange SV we've seen. I bet you we see that car tomorrow also. That may be the single tallest truck I've ever seen in my whole life. That's actually nuts. Ladies and gentlemen, the Goodyear blimp
We're gonna loop around.
has arrived. take me with you. Crazy wrap on the C8.
Yeah, it's that man. Cruise Scoop 720S?
Yeah, that's great.
That's rare.
That's great. Some nice burbles. Jesus. Just chirping the tires every gear change. Holy cow. Yeah, that's wicked. Jesus. A little rolling launch.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, ladies and gents, we are going around 2.5 in the F80 M3 competition. The sun took it out of me today, but we are staying alive. It's been a full weekend, and we have Dirachi Jewelers tomorrow. It's not even over yet. Logan's M5, nice little Gen 1 R8, Evan's car, and we are posting up here. Oh, Gen 1 Gallardo over there too. Nice little lineup, very nice. So we left earlier, but what's new here is a Sterrato on wheels, Gen 1 R8, that's gorgeous. 4x4 Mercedes, SF90, Turbo S. Urus Perf is still here. GT3 RS is still here. And the addition of some other cars, the GT3 RS. This is a freaking machine. Holy cow. That's impressive. Well, we got here at a good time because there's another G-Wagon, Technica, and then Hugo, and then another Revuelto. We've seen like 3 of these today. Absolutely monstrous. Cool little lineup though. Boys all pulling in. Hugo's car is one of my favorites. Just straight up. This car also has an exhaust on it now. Carson's doing his duty by grabbing the tape here. Let this nice Aston in. Guys, I just want to reiterate how big these cars are. I am 7'1", and this car looks huge next to me. Crazy. Lighten it up at the light. I think it's a 4x4. What's going on here? We got 1 reliable carrier down there, 2 reliable carriers, 3, 4, 5. The trucks are out. This is a marketing scheme, ladies and gents. That is, imagine just mobbing in that thing, living in there. 5 reliable carrier trucks. That's wild. The boat is back and it has LEDs. The boat, ladies and gents. Absolutely sailing down Woodward. Looking awesome. We've got quite the scene here. A couple GTRs and then Chargers seem to run out of gas. I'm not quite sure what they're doing there, but probably gonna look for some gas for this guy. Uh-oh, what's going on here? GT3 RS. Wide body Cullinan. Wow. Dude, this would be a sick picture right now with like a digital camera with flash. Apparently the front bumper came off, dragged the exhaust, and yeah, not great. Not great. So update for the folks at home. Charger is leaving on a flatbed. A couple cars are leaving the parking lot here. Hugo and the 720S taken off as well. Such a beautiful build. Gold wheels on this, just perfected. Logan's popping out in the 5er. We are in the 3er. We get a little gasoline. And we've got the M5 Competizione 923 RS. Ferrari. Why is it packed? This place is crazy. I've never seen anything like this. I'm not a street racer, bro. M3's parked up. Scatty Daddy's parked up. Seems to be a combination of people going and leaving. Got a cool little van right here. That's neat. That's actually awesome. That's loud, brother. Woo, there it starts chopping a bit. Got some fast cars pulling in. This dude has a drag wing on the Mustang. This thing has a giant tire. Saw a couple GTRs pull in. Just getting greasy here, folks. It's also starting to rain, so some rain is hitting the ground. I don't know what the plan is. I think some people want to race, some people want to stand around, but we, for the time being, are standing around. If a Nismo GTR pulls up with a camera attached to the back, you do not want to race it. I'm telling you folks right now. Race it. Oh my God, hang on.